Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and it is day 15, December 15th of Charlie's Advent Calendar. Almost couldn't find where I put it. So we are going to take our number 15 out of the box. They are really stuck in there. And see what she has in store for us today. I want to thank Charlie for doing these. I think they are a lot of fun. Ooh, look at this. Right up my alley. This is a fine matte neon glitter mix. It is purple. It is 5 grams. See how beautiful this is? I think this is just I love the fine glitter mixes. I'm not into the chunkies. I do have a nail here off to the side. But I am going to paint it purple. Or a form of. So I shall be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. I put this beautiful shade of purple on. It is a Modelones Minis, and it is shade, let me look. Oh, I can't see this. Taro Milk, something like that, close to it. I think these are both beautiful. So that is our color. We have cured it. We are going to take She Modern nail foil glue. Whoa, picture of my son came flying down. That's weird. So completely cover your nail. Make sure you get the sides, your sidewalls, your free edge, your cuticle area. I'm going to go in with it some more just to make sure I've got my areas covered. And I will pop this in the lamp for a cure. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. And there's a lot this month. Between mine and everybody else that's doing the advent calendar, I also have the 12 Days of Christmas going with Pumpkin's Nail Station. A little collaboration we had going. Or have going. No, had. Hope you check those videos out. I appreciate your support there for both myself and Pumpkin. In those videos, there will be lists to either her video itself or her playlist. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this all over the nail. Using a little bit more glitter than I should. Make sure your nail is covered. So I'm going to set that off to the side, tap that off. I'm going to press this in down into the glue and do it some more. Just make sure your nail is covered. Tap, tap, tap. And I always stick it back in the lamp for another cure. That way it adheres better into the glue. I am also going to put on this itty bitty little flower embellishment. Oh my god, here it is. This is also by Charlie's. I think that is so pretty. So I'm going to get out my nail glue. This is my infinite nail glue. This is for tips, of course. I like to use it also for my embellishments, to get those to stick on the nail better than a top coat. Oh, kind of jumping ahead of myself. We got a top coat first. Have yourself a tissue, paper towel, lint-free wipe, so you can wipe this off, wipe your brush off when you're top coating. Even though I don't wipe my brush off, I do say that nothing else comes off. Whoops. Nothing comes off. Ugh. So I am going to use my top coat by Diva the Bottle. Wipe it off, even though that no glitter comes off, I still want to be sure. Put you a nice, juicy, whoops, top coat on your nail, because the fine glitters, in my opinion, do soak up the top coat. Just put yourself a nice coating on. Pop those in the lamp. Cure for 60. If you have a higher wattage lamp, I have 108 watts. You can cure for 30. Discard your paper towel tissue or lint-free wipe, because you no longer need it. So I am going to go in with another coat just to smooth things out and make sure that it's nice and smooth, like I don't know what. I was going to say a baby's bottom, but that's not appropriate. You just want your nails smooth like glass. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. Make sure you check all the other ladies out who are doing Charlie's Advent Calendar. Last couple of videos I mentioned a bunch of them. So you can check that out. I'm sure you're getting notifications for quite a few of them. Quite a few of us did the calendars. And they are beautiful. A lot of beautiful designs coming. And that gave us great full coverage. So I'm going to pop this back in the lamp. Once that is cured, we will put our nail glue on and our embellishment and call it a day. Stay tuned tomorrow for December 16th for the 16th day in the 24 days of nail art. Charlie's Advent Calendar. There's a lot of days still ahead of us that we don't know about yet, what the goodies are. Hope you stay tuned to find out what they are and what nail art I'm going to be doing with them. I would greatly appreciate it. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful. So let me open my nail glue. I'm going to put it over here in this corner. This does pretty well almost bond instantly, but I don't know what's with my wax picker upper and it not wanting to come off. So we're going to let that sit there briefly for a momento. Let that settle, get glued upon. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my little nail art for December 14th. Again, happy birthday to my niece, Charlie Ann. I know she don't watch, but it is her birthday. So, like I said, like I asked, please leave me a comment. I'm curious on your thoughts. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for tomorrow. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.